Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai Tech Guru. Finally friends, I did receive the iQOO 7 which I did order for about 22,990. Yes, I think you did watch the video before I did upload maybe 7 days back. So I think there was a glitch in the Amazon pricing regarding the iQOO 7 device, and I was able to get the phone for about 22,990. And after that, a lot of users they did mention that you may receive the renewed phone or maybe refurbished phone. So that's why I thought of making this kind of unboxing in front of the camera. So this exact package which I did receive, so just couple of minutes back I thought of unboxing. And even today also I did receive the iQOO Z5, which is iQOO Z5 which I got right now. I did do the unboxing of this iQOO Z5 as well. So in case if you're interested on the iQOO Z5, let me know in the comment section below what are the videos you want me to make on the iQOO Z5 as well. And very soon maybe I'm gonna sell one of the iQOO 7 device, because right now I do have the two iQOO phones with me. So if you're in the Hyderabad or around kind of Hyderabad location, let me know in the comments, or maybe you can email me personally that in case if you want to buy the phone, so definitely I'll be able to give the phone. And you can check the emails as well in the about info. There's an email which is I did create for only the Sai used phones, as you can see. So that's what I'm gonna do, friends. Very soon I'm gonna sell one of the iQOO 7 device. So if you're in the Hyderabad, then you are really lucky. Then definitely I can plan, and I can arrange some meeting with you all, and I can give the phone as well. You can discuss the price in the email. And this is the package exactly I got, but let's see, there is no indication saying that phone is renewed or maybe refurbished, because usually the phones they'll come saying that renewed sticker or refurbished sticker. That's what I'm trying to look. This is a exactly brand new sealed piece. Everything is completely sealed here. As you can see, this is iQOO 7. So hopefully it's not some kind of clone or any kind of some kind of scam, so which I got involved. And let me try to check. So there is no indication, as I said. There's nothing showing me the renewed or anything. And later I'll try to do in my testing as well. How is the phone performing? So it is iQOO 7, friends. Exactly I did receive. So everything is completely fine. It's a completely brand new mobile phone. So let's do the unboxing of the iQOO 7 right now. I'm trying to do. As you can see, it's exactly this exact price which I did order for about 22,990. And as I said, so I'll definitely try to sell the mobile phone as soon as possible. So make sure to follow me. And here's the phone. So the seal is completely sealed. So as you can clearly see, the seal is not broken at all. But I'm going to check inside what happens to the inside contents. Are they available in the exact original package or not? That's what I'm going to exactly check in this video. And here we go. Let's see, we do have the phone and everything. I'm just gonna see is it kind of used condition or not. That's another main concern for a lot of other users, but I cannot see any kind of renewed or refurbished or nothing at all indication on the product. That's another thing which I was mentioning. And here's the phone itself, and let's see whether it's the iQOO 7 phone or not. So I think it's a kind of iQOO 7 this phone itself, not bad. So let me try to open this seal. Yes. As you can see, this is iQOO 7 model exactly I did receive. I cannot see any kind of damage, nothing. No dents, no cracks, nothing at all in the display. Everything is completely looks fine for me. And inside we do have the case. Along with that, we do have the small number, and is the cable which is in really good condition and not used condition. I'm going to definitely check, friends, so don't worry about that. And even the adapter is also kind of new condition itself. It's 6 watts only. So I didn't get any kind of other adapters, but I did get the original adapter only in the box. Not bad. So we do have the case as well. Case is also included. SIM card pin also included. So everything is as normal, friends. Nothing much difference or annoying at this point. Overall, I can definitely say that. So maybe because of the price glitch, I did get my order for about 22,990. That might be the reason why. But overall, I did receive the brand new iQOO 7 device for this kind of price. So let's start. Let's boot up first, and let's see what will the battery inside of the phone will be there. So these are the ice blue color, and is a normal color, stone black color. You can see two iQOO phones, two monsters I'm holding in my hand. Wow. So it's pretty good comparison. I can do few of the comparisons, maybe testing the RAM management, extended RAM, using the extended RAM capabilities and without using extended RAM capabilities. Is a new interface, and let me to set up initially. Let's do the setup process, and let's see what's happening. I just want to confirm whether the phone is actually iQOO 7 or not. Let's click, and overall there's nothing problem with the touch itself, and haptic feedbacks are also really good, working fantastic haptic feedbacks. I can feel now itself when I'm trying to enable and disable all these options. and skip. So don't worry, I'll definitely do a lot of comparison videos using these phones and other phones as well. Let me try to deselect everything, and I don't want to install. Skip and start. Yes friends, finally is the iQOO 7 device, exactly what I ordered. 8GB plus 3GB external RAM. Maybe I did not get that kind of software update. I need to do the update, so then I might get the 4GB version as well. This is exactly iQOO 7 device which I did receive right now. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to email me if you're in the Hyderabad. I cannot post and I cannot come in to any other city, so maybe nearby Hyderabad maybe, but not another state, so sorry for that. So this is the exact email ID in case if you want to buy this phone or any other phones in my channel. Thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.